Hello, I am Kristen Stivers, a scientist with 12 years of experience working with our immunoassay platforms and reagents, including single molecule counting, or SMC technology. Welcome to this video on proper sealing of the 384-well read plate for SMCxPRO assays. A critical step in SMC assay workflows is the elution of the detection antibodies from the capture surface. The eluate is then neutralized and transferred from a 96-well assay plate to the optical 384-well read plate for the SMCxPRO instrument's data acquisition. Since interrogation of the well contents occurs in a bottom read manner, it is critical to keep the accompanying black lid under the plate during all assay setup steps to avoid scratches, fingerprints, dust, and debris. Keep the plate covered to preserve the integrity of the well contents. Use only the recommended aluminum adhesive seal for plate sealing. Applying the aluminum seal completely and uniformly with the recommended plate roller is critical to prevent evaporation from wells and cross-well condensation. To prepare the seal for use, remove its backing and align it over the 384-well plate, avoiding all creases, folds, or kinks, as these could lead to an incomplete seal. Run your fingers across the adhesive over all 384 wells. Then, complete the seal by rolling the plate roller across the entire plate in both vertical and horizontal directions, while paying close attention to all corners, junctions, and the plate perimeter. A complete seal should have a concave appearance across all the wells, and corners should be clearly visible. Remove the perforated ends of the foil seal. Once the complete seal is formed and the end flaps are removed, the plate is ready to be transferred to read in the SMCxPRO instrument. We hope you have enjoyed this video on how to properly seal the 384-well read plate for the SMCxPRO instrument. If you have any questions, please contact technical support at sigmaaldrich.com/tech service. Thank you for watching.